transforming parabolas. All right, write down the definition. Yesterday we did standard form. You had to do both standard form and vertex form. Today we're doing vertex form. What was standard form?
A squared plus bx, ax squared plus bx equals plus c.
Plus c.
Equals
Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c.
You need graph paper.
It helps. Same thing with the last section. If you have graph paper, it's going to be easier, but if not, you can do it on regular paper. Here's vertex form of a quadratic. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Your vertex, if it's in vertex form, it's easy to find. It's just hk. Now your a value does not change from standard form to vertex form. So when we get into the last example, when we're finding our a value, if we're given standard form a value, then we know the a value in vertex form. Okay?
Will you not change it?
Yeah, I'll leave it up for a second. All right, the first example, I will give you the equation in vertex form, and you have to graph it, just like we did last night. All right, y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2 squared plus 3. Just by looking at that, you should be able to tell me the vertex is 2, 3.
Wouldn't it be negative 2, 3?
No, because the formula is x minus h, right? So whatever h is, h in this case is 2. The best way to think of it is whatever makes the inside 0 is the x coordinate of the vertex. So what's going to make this 0?
2.
Positive 2. So your vertex is 2, 3. Put that in the middle of the table. Yes? Put that in the middle of the table. Notice I picked numbers for my table that were divisible by 2. That way we don't have fractions for our y values because of this negative 1/2. But again, you can choose anything you want, Remy, for your table.
Okay.
4 and 0 correspond with each other. When you plug 4 in, you get 4 minus 1, which is 2. 2 squared is 4.
4 minus 2.
4 minus 2 is what?
2.
Yes. What did I say?
4 minus 1.
4 minus 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Negative half of 4 is negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. Okay, and if you want to check 0, you'll get the same thing. At 6, you get negative 5. Plot your points. What's your axis of symmetry there?
X equals 2.
X equals 2. Do you have a maximum or a minimum?
Maximum.
Maximum, what's your maximum value?
2, 4, 2, 3, sorry.
3. You're just looking for the
Oh.
y value when you're looking for max or min.
We don't have to write y equals 3.
No. Okay. We got that? Alright, next.
It's not this one.
Example, write the equation of the graph in vertex form. This is the graph you're given, and this is vertex form.
Whoa.
So all you have to do, here you're given the vertex. You know what h and k are. You need to find, the only missing variable now is a. Okay?
Yeah, it's not getting all that. Y equals negative 2.
Yeah, just, you need to move it in inside. To the right.
There you go.
Okay. So standard form, or vertex form, we should be able to get to here because of the vertex being 3, 4. Everybody see that? Yeah, okay, so I just plug 3 in for H, 4 in for K. Now you got to find A and you're done. So you use the other piece of information they give you, which is another point, and plug 5 in for X, negative 4 in for Y. Negative 4 in for Y, 5 in for X, 5 minus 3, 2 squared.
4.
So you get 4a plus 4, subtract 4, negative 8 equals 4a. A comes out to be negative 2. So then you just plug that back in right here, and there's your final answer in red. Y equals negative 2, parentheses x minus 3 squared plus 4. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So the only variable you need to find in this problem is A. Everything else is given to you. H and K is given to you. Y and X are unknowns. Okay, they can be anything.
Wait, can you not erase it?
Yeah.
Why are the vertex variables H and K?
I don't know, that's just what they use.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Wait. Whatever.
All right, last one. Going from standard form to vertex form. Okay, we have a problem there, right? Y equals 2x squared plus 10x plus 7 in vertex form. Now remember, I told you at the beginning that your A value doesn't change. So you already know your A value is what?
2.
2. So when you go from vertex form or standard form to vertex form, it's going to be the same A value. Okay, now all you need to do is find H and K. And we do that just like we did in the last lesson. Find the x coordinate of the vertex. What's the formula?
Negative b over 2.
Negative b over 2a. So what's negative 10 over 2 times a? Negative 5 halves. Okay? Plug that in for x up here, and you should work all this out to come out to be negative 11 halves. And here's your final equation. Question. So that's all you have to do to go from standard to vertex form. The A's given to you. Find H and K just like you did last night.